Hello, hi, I am Lindsay, and I had the privilege of working with Raquel, which was amazing. We started this process back in the spring working with her. I had won I don't really want to call it a contest, but a contest of some sorts where I was given her services for free. And I just didn't know what to expect. I was super excited. I also felt that I didn't really deserve it. I am a stay-at-home mom. I am not out in the workforce right now. So I thought maybe somebody who is out in the workforce that needs to better their professional career or help their professional career with their wardrobe would have been better deserving. And then I started thinking about it, and I'm like, I have been a stay-at-home mom for the past 5 years, and my wardrobe had went from a great business casual from when I used to work in the office down to pretty much leggings and sweatshirts and t-shirts every single day. I've never wore a pair of jeans. I maybe had one pair of jeans that fit me when we started this process, or that I actually felt comfortable wearing. So my wardrobe pretty much sucked. I mean, I didn't have anything really that I felt good in, that I felt confident in. Pretty much everything just covered all my insecurities on my body. I would wear long t-shirts thinking it's covering my midsection. I'd wear leggings because they were comfortable. Sweatshirts because they're baggy and loose. Now, I hardly even wear leggings except when I'm working out. Maybe every once in a while I'll wear them throughout the week. But overall, my whole wardrobe and my lookout on what I wear and how I get dressed every day has completely changed. The process was really easy. Raquel had sent me, started out with email. We were kind of emailing back and forth. I had a questionnaire I had to fill out. Couple pages, a lot of information on it. Went through, filled out all that information. Then we did have a couple virtual meets. She just kind of getting to know me, getting to know my style. And she pinpointed it just from, I think it was maybe one virtual meet and then the emails back and forth in the questionnaire. She completely nailed my style just from that little bit of interaction. It was amazing. It was great. One of my biggest, I don't want to say fear, but one of my biggest, I guess, fear about doing this whole thing with Raquel when we started in the spring is I didn't want her to change my style or make me think that I wanted to dress a certain way that didn't really suit me or my lifestyle. But she nailed it. She knew exactly, I don't know the right words to use. She knew exactly the type of wardrobe that I was looking for and that fit me perfectly. After our virtual meet, I was given homework. I had to first go through and organize my closet in a different manner than I already had it, and then I had to go through and clear out my entire closet and go through the items that I wear and items that I don't wear and had to get rid of. I donated so many clothes, so many shoes that just didn't serve a purpose in my wardrobe anymore. It didn't fit me or my current lifestyle, so I got rid of it. And actually, it was a daunting task, but I felt awesome when it was done. It was great. And I ended up going through both of my children's closets too thereafter. I was kind of on on a roll, trying to get everything done. Did our coat closet downstairs, went through a lot of stuff. Didn't touch any of my husband's stuff because I wouldn't want to deal with that, but I did mine and all the kids' stuff, and it just felt great. After that, she kind of went through, and I had to take pictures of everything that I had left in my wardrobe and that I kept. So all my jeans, all my tops, all my cardigans, everything, my shoes, everything. And what she did is she styled it all for me in different ways that I can wear it. Things that I had never thought about. Actually, this outfit that I have on right now is everything that I had in my closet, and she put it together as an outfit for me. Now it's not anything that I would have ever picked out for myself to put together in my closet. I don't even know if I had even worn this. Maybe once, but now I've worn it multiple times. So with the clothes that I had, she opened my eyes to the versatility of it and different ways I can style everything together, which has also helped because now when I go in my closet, it's easier for me to pick out things to wear. Even packing. We do a lot of short trips, traveling, and it is so easy for me to pack now. I'm like, yep, I can take these jeans, these shorts, this belt, these couple of shirts, this overshirt, and this is great. It's just so much easier. I'm not trying to guess on how to put something together and whether it looks good on me and my body type. I'm much more confident. I'm much more secure about my body. Like a lot of people do, everybody has their insecurities with certain parts of their body. And now that I know how to dress my body style, the way I'm built, and I know how to dress it properly, that kind of has gone away for the most part. I just feel much more confident about myself, and how I'm dressing in the way. It just makes me feel so much happier. I'm more confident, and I feel like I can take on the world when I'm put together. And I love it. Raquel is amazing. Not only just styling my wardrobe that I currently had, she also helped with the color of my hair, the style that best suits my skin tone, my face. She helped if I had any questions with makeup. She went over that with me. She did offer help with skincare too. I mean, above and beyond anything that I had expected. So after the virtual closet, and her putting together pieces that I already had together or already had in my closet to make outfits, she then gave me a shopping list. Now, not of things that I had to buy right now, just as I wanted, but essentials in my closet that I didn't have that I needed, such as a white t-shirt or a black t-shirt. I didn't have any. And a couple blazers, just a lot of essentials in my closet that will last a long time and that I can incorporate multiple different ways with what I already had in my closet, but also for dress up, dress down, for any way I want to go. So that was a big help. So I did go ahead, with the shopping list that she made me, I did go ahead and purchase a handful of the items. A lot of them I haven't worn yet because it's been so warm here. It's starting to finally cool down and I can wear the longer sleeves and start layering more. But I'm really excited about it. Some of the items that I have purchased, and actually I had a wedding back in the spring and she nailed it. I'm like, oh, what do you think of this dress? And she's like, Lindsay, you're not really a dress person. You're not a skirt person. And she helped me or guided me to some really awesome silk pants, just a beautiful outfit that I ended up going with, purchasing it for the wedding. And those items, even though they were put together for a more formal wedding, I can dress them up, I can dress them down, I can use them multiple different ways, and they are all nice quality items that I've gotten, and they will last me a long time. It's just the good staples that I need in my wardrobe to help create an awesome wardrobe and so many different styles that I can wear in so many different ways. I'm just super excited about the whole experience. It's just more than I even expected. Raquel, she is just so sweet, so easy to work with. The first time I met with her virtual, I was so nervous, and I mean, meeting somebody new, you know, not knowing what to expect, but she put me at ease. She's so lovely. She's an amazing person. Again, because I didn't pay for my consult and the experience that I've had, but I would have to say it is well worth investing in. It has helped me in so many ways. Again, love myself, love my body, give me the confidence that I need that I didn't have before, that had been lost over the past 5 years of being at home with my kids, staying at home, not having time for myself, not giving me the self-care that I needed. Well, that I actually didn't know that I needed. I just kind of had lost it all. So I would recommend this to anybody, whether you think you need it or not. Just give it a shot. I mean, it is well worth it. Even if you think, you know, I've got my wardrobe, I'm dressing this way, that way, if you're already confident in all of that, that's great, but she has so much more to offer. I mean, not just with your wardrobe again, but she also helps, you know, trying to show you how to style and keep it stylish throughout the year or the years. Again, it was just, I can't say, there's no words for me to describe how grateful I am to have received this and have been able to go through this. Again, even for somebody who thinks they don't need it, just try. I mean, something so simple as tucking in my shirt. I never tucked in my shirt before. I'm like, no way. And yep, nope. Oh, I should be tucking in my shirt. And now since that conversation we had back in May, I have done it every time I wear a shirt or a t-shirt. I have always tucked it in. I want to just take pride in who I am and show everybody the confidence that I now have, instead of trying to hide behind a bunch of baggy clothes, a baseball cap every day, maybe doing my makeup, maybe not putting makeup on. I just feel like an all around better Lindsay, and I love it. And as I was saying, I would recommend it to anybody, just to help, go through your wardrobe and figure out what you need and what you don't need, or just having that person there to help you guide you through it, and show that you can really wear this jacket 12 different ways, not just this way, but I can style it with a lot of other things that I had never thought about in the past. So it was an amazing experience. Raquel she is just wonderful. She is so sweet. She is a great person to work with, and I hope to continue to work with her as long as I can. She was wonderful, and I think anybody out there should take advantage of something like this, and you never know where it might take you. Thank you.